Good morning, students. We are going to start the next lecture for Accountancy ISC class 12th. In the previous class, we have studied about profit and loss appropriation account and partners capital account. In this session, we are going to solve the question related to yesterday's topic. This is the book, recommendatory book, which we are using in our school. Okay. Then yesterday we have discussed about profit and loss account. This is the format of profit and loss appropriation account which we have discussed yesterday. On the credit side you can see profit and interest on drawings. On the debit side, salaries to partner, commission to partner, interest on partner's capital account, reserve if any, and the remaining amount of profit is distributed among the partner in their profit sharing ratio. Yesterday we have discussed this format in detail. Today we are going to solve question related to this topic. Okay, see question number 7 of your book. The serial number of the question may vary from new book to old book, but question is same. So you have to go through the question very carefully. We are going to discuss question number 7 in this session. Okay, question number 7 we are going to read now. A and B are partners in the firm sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 2:3. See, this is the PSR, profit sharing ratio, 2:3. And the capital of partners are given 4 lakh and 8 lakh. This is the capital invested by A, 4 lakh, and by B, 8 lakh. Each of the partner is entitled to 10% per annum interest on capital. 10% is the interest on their capital. That means interest on capital, how we are going to calculate? 4 lakh into 10%, that is 40,000. I'll show you the solution, don't worry. Then B is entitled to a commission of 10% on net profit after deducting interest on capital. That means the commission of B is 10% of net profit. Net profit is given to us 6 lakh. So 6 lakhs minus interest on capital. Then A is entitled to a commission of 8%. A will get the commission at a rate 8% and on net profit after deducting, see the word, after deducting interest on capital and after charging all commission. After charging all commission. This point I will show you how to deal with this point. And net profit is given to us 6 lakh. We have to prepare profit and loss appropriation account. I hope this question is clear to you. Now we will move on to the solution of this question. So at the top we will write profit and loss appropriation account for the year ended 31st March 2000. Now year is not mentioned in the question, so we have to leave. You can see. Okay, so you have to write at the top. Now particulars and rupees, particular rupees, this is the format. Now as you know, this is debit side and this is credit side. I'm just writing to explain you. Rest, if you don't write, it's okay. Now profit is given to you 6 lakh. I have already told you. You can see 6 lakh is the profit, this amount we received from 6 lakh. Is this clear? This is the profit given to us in the question itself. Now, so I have written on the credit side 6 lakh Now interest on capital, I have informed you, written in the question, it is 10% of their capital. 10% of their capital. See in the working note it is calculated. 10% of 4 lakh A's capital and B's capital was 8 lakh. So 10% of each capital. So it is simple to calculate. 10%, 40,000 and 80,000. This amount we have written. This amount is written here. See. See, this is interest on capital. I have shown you the calculation. So total is written in the rupees column. Then the next point is partners commission account, and how we have calculated this. See, B's commission was easy to calculate because it was 10% of 4,80,000. Now from where this 4,80,000 came, I'm just showing you. The profit was 6 lakh. The profit was 6 lakh and interest on capital is 1,20,000. Okay, so the amount, the remaining amount is 4,80,000. Is this clear? 6 lakh is the profit. See, profit, this is profit 6 lakh minus 1,20,000, this one, this amount. From this we have deducted, so the remaining amount is 4,80,000. So here it is 4,80,000, 10% of 4,80,000. Now for A's capital, what was mentioned, I'll just show you. For A's capital it is mentioned is entitled to commission of 8% after deducting. This concept I have told you in class 11th. After deducting interest on capital and after charging all commission. That means how we have calculated the amount. Profit is given to you 6 lakh and minus 1,20,000 and what else we have to deduct? B's commission, that is 48,000. So we will get what? 4,32,000. Is this clear to you? 6 lakh is the profit minus interest on capital of both partners and B's commission. We'll get 4,32,000. See this 4,32,000. And since the word after deducting is given, so it will be 8 upon 108. See, 8 upon 108, because it is inclusive of A's commission. 4,30,000 is 32,000 is the amount inclusive of A's. Yes, clear? It is inclusive of A's. Yes, correct. Commission. Very good. So this way we have calculated the amount. Here it is mentioned. You have to prepare the working note as I told you in the class, and now also I'm telling in our accountancy subject we have to always show the working note clearly. So adding both the commission, the total is 80,000. The remaining now net profit. How, what is the net profit? 4 lakh. How it came? 6 lakh minus 1,20,000. 6 lakh minus 1,20,000 and 80,000. So by deducting these both amount we get 4 lakh. And this 4 lakh is divided in their PSR. this 4 lakh is divided in their PSR. PSR is 2 is to 3. 2 is to 3. So when we will divide this 4 lakh into 2 is to 3, the amount will be 1,60,000 and 2,40,000. Is this clear? 2 is to 3. So this is the solution of the question number 7 of your book. You can just check, or you can take a screenshot of the question and solve the question. I hope this question is clear to you. We'll meet in the next lecture with solution of other topic. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.